Cordial greeting tutor. This is my task 4. According the guild, is necessary for phases. The phase number 1, listen to your teacher and record your answer. According my teacher, this is the 10th sentence. 1. Tanya is just uploading some photos to Instagram. 2. I am sending a messenger to my mom. 3. Sandra and Marcos are riding horses and the sun is shining. 4. What is happening there? 5. At 10 o'clock I am finding Marcos due for a quick coffee. 6. She is wearing me. 7. I am studying for my exam tomorrow. 8. We are having a great time in Taj Mahal. 9. I am washing this shirt and pants. 10. Marcos is downloading photos to Taj Mahal. Phase 2. Listen to your teacher and record your answer. According the recording of my teacher, phase 2 is necessary for 4 terms in the table. 10 1 Weathers, 10 2 Pleasanton, 10 3 Holidays, 10 4 Clothes. In the first 10, rain, snow, wind, war. Places in the town is the second 10. Airport, bank, library, coffee, cafe, mall, supermarket, factory. 10 3 Holidays, passport, travel, ticket, baggage. 10 4 Clothes, gloves, jumper, skirt, jean, jacket, shirt. To complete this evidence is necessary for four sentences. 1. The weekend, my wife is washing the jeans and shoes. 2. I like travel to water. 3. The bank of my city is in front of the supermarket. 4. Laura wears her jacket at the airport when it rains. Thank you.